Welcome back to another vlog. The anchor book is out for all the three IPOs. The day has come. We have to make the decision. Don't skip. Wait till the end to make the final decision whether which one to apply, which one not to apply, which one to skip. Let's get started. I've already made a detailed analysis of all the three IPO comparisons. The detailed link, the video of that link will be pasted in the description. You can watch the detailed link. This is just the high level summary of all the three and basically the review of Anchor Book and GMP and what you do and how should you apply for these three IPOs. Let's look at the Anchor Books for Meesho. Good anchor book, good blend of domestic and foreign mutual funds. Some names are also present. Like most of the anchor book has gone to SBI, but we have Government of Singapore, Fidelity Focus Funds, Authority of Singapore, and even in the mutual fund space also, a lot of funds have gone to SBI. In fact, there was some discussion saying that there is some partiality in the dispute, partiality in the allocation of the mutual funds. Many big names have withdrawn from the anchor allocation because they thought that measure of their fund has gone to SBI. It's a positive as well as a negative point. One, it shows there is so much competition. Some second negative, some anchor investor think there is negative, but we have to wait and watch whether they will come in the QIB part or not. But they are taken into the SEBI. But it is clear now SEBI is unlikely to intervene in the anchor allocation dispute. But overall, good, not great because many missed out, but good set of anchor books, a positive indicator for Meesho. Next, let's look at Aequs. Again, top-notch anchor funds, solid blends of domestic and foreign names. Some reputed names are also present. If you look at small cap world fund, have taken 12%. ICICI Production Innovation Fund, Nippon Life, AC Nippon India Small Cap Fund, BlackRock. This is also one of the good names. In fact, apart from this also, the promoters also have very good name. I did check around in the Hubli Belgaum region. They have very good name. They have very strong background, and all the aerospace sector as a whole is very competitive, and in the future it will grow because a lot of companies don't want to go to China for any kind of aircraft products and things like that. So the second alternative destination in India, this is a very good company, already well placed to do all the fabrications, manufacturing, all the things related to the aircrafts. And also the very good advantage of this company is most of these clients like Airbus, Collins Aerospace, whatever, Boeing have multi-year contract. So they have a contract for 10 years, 5 years. So they have a visibility of revenue for next 5 to 10 years. So that is also one of the good things about Aequs, but is also a solid, if I can say better than Meesho anchor book for this range. Next, look at Vidya Wires. Decent accounts, I would say decent to average. Since it's a small IPO, not many major names have come, but predominantly taken by Bank of India, LIC Mutual Fund, and few other funds. Not bad, not good, decent anchor fund. Now let's look at the prediction. Early verdict when I say day 2. Okay, Meesho, the GMP is around 45. It goes around 41%. Sorry, it goes from 42 to 45, 48, 50. It had gone to 50 also, but it had come back to 45. If you look at the day 2 subscriptions at 11:15 a.m. when I taken this video, retail is around 4.5. This is application wise. This is not amount wise. It's application wise. Retail is around 4.5. HN is around 0.63. I would say Meesho you can definitely apply for listing gain, provided if QIB supports. If there is a very drastic less number in QIB subscription, then you have to watch out. Otherwise, listing gain, it should not be a problem because lot of buzzes around this IPO, lot of customers use this IPO, but longer run, when they'll become profitable, whether it will take 1 year, 2 year, there have been other players listed in the listed space who are better. Yes, so after listing gain, I don't have any recommendations, but listing gain should happen. And also since it's a big IPO, the allotment also should be pretty easy compared to other two IPOs. Aequs, again, GMP is kind of stable compared to Meesho. It's going up and down, but Aequs is around stable around 45.5, 37%, 35, 38%. Subscription bit higher because of the lesser IPO. HNI is around 0.98, retailer is around 14.95. What does it say? Most of the people are applying retail in Aequs and maybe small HNI and big HNI in Meesho. Again, listing gain should not be any problem. Aerospace is though it's a loss-making company, aerospace is a good sector. lot of eye is on that sector, and the promoter also have very good name. Post listing, it can be tracked depending on how you can track the charts and things like that, but listing gain should be there. Third one, VidyaWire, again it's a smallish company. Again, retail it subscribed 5.56 times, HNA 0.67 times. Again, if you have excess funds after applying these two, I would say definitely apply to Vidya Wires, but don't expect any major listing gains. It should be less than 10% or a flat listing also, because anchor book is not that great. Okay, profits are also good, but there are better listed players already in the market who do better. But decent name, but not expecting any magical listing gain or something like that. So this can be applied as well if you have excess funds apart from after applying these two. What I can say finally is that on a day 3, wait for QAB subscriptions. Don't get a FOMO. Wait for QAB subscription. Look into it. Look into HNS subscriptions and then apply. Post applying, long term we don't know. The dollar is already in the INR to dollar is already 90 rupees. A lot of global geopolitical tensions are going on. Post listing we don't know, but listing gain should be there ideally for these three, unless there is drastic GMP or any negative news is in the market. But these are the high level what I think might be possible for these three IPOs. And also, as I said, this is just for education purposes. This is not a buy or sell recommendation. This is purely education purposes. You do your analysis and do your investment accordingly. If you have any other doubts, any other comments, please subscribe to my channel and comment below.